Excel shortcuts can help you work more efficiently and can save lots of your time. In today's video, we will see some of the most advanced Excel shortcuts that will take your Excel skills to next level.
Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays.
Over here we have got a sales data and few of the employees resigned or got transferred, and we want to strike through the data of the people who already resigned or got transferred. We will click on the data of the employee and will press Ctrl 5 and strike through got visible. Again we will click over here, we'll press Ctrl 5, Ctrl 5, Ctrl 5. So Ctrl 5 is the shortcut for strike through. I'll undo this. Now let's select the whole data. We'll click anywhere inside the data. We'll press Ctrl A or Command A and we'll press Ctrl 2 and all the text got converted in bold. Ctrl 2, bold got removed. Now we will press Ctrl 3 and all the data got converted in italic. We'll press Ctrl 3 to remove it. Ctrl 4 and all the data got underlined. Ctrl 4 and the underlines got removed. Let's see another shortcut. In this data, we want to create filters, and to create filters, we will see couple of shortcuts. Region, I'll click over here, we'll right click the mouse, we'll go to filter, and from here I'll select filter by selected sales value. And our filter got created for each region. I'll undo this. Another shortcut to create filters is Ctrl, Shift and L, and filter buttons got visible on top. I'll undo this. In case I want to create filter for a certain column, we will have to select that and we'll press Shift Ctrl L and the filter button got applied only in name. Let's see another shortcut. Over here we have got a sales data, but the date is in general format or number format, and we have to convert these dates in date format. So either we can click on top or can click on the first number, can press Shift Ctrl and down arrow key and we'll press Ctrl 1 and the window of format cells got opened. From here we can select date and can select a desired date format and can do OK. So all the numbers got converted in dates. Let's see another shortcut. This is a sales data where total is missing. Shortcut for Window users and MacBook users will be totally different. Window users can use Alt equal to and MacBook users can use Shift Command T, and we can see autosum over here. Alt equal to or Shift Command T. In case you want to do some total over here, shortcut will be same. Alt equal to. Let's see another shortcut. Hide column or rows. Over here few rows are blank and we want to hide this. So we'll select the blank rows, we'll press Ctrl and we'll select all. In case you are using MacBook, you'll have to press Command. Now we will press Ctrl 9 and all the rows got hidden. In case I want to hide more rows, we'll have to select this and we'll press Ctrl 9. And in case you want to unhide them, just select the data, press Shift Ctrl 9 and all the data got unhidden. To hide the columns, the shortcut will be Ctrl 0. In case you want to hide multiple columns, just select multiple columns and press Ctrl 0. And to unhide the columns, just select the hidden columns and press Shift Ctrl 9. And all the unhidden columns got visible. Let's move to another example. This is a sales data where I have got name of the employees, but I want initials, first name and surname in different columns. And we are going to do this through flash fill. I'll click over here and we'll type DR. Means initial of the first person. First name, we will type first name over here. Surname, we will click over here and we'll copy the surname. Ctrl C or Command C. We'll come in surname and we'll paste over here. Now we will come to initials and we'll press Ctrl E. First name, Ctrl E and surname, Ctrl E. So all the data got filled up through flash fill. Let's see another shortcut. Delete blank rows. We'll click anywhere inside our data. We'll press Ctrl A and all the data got selected. Now we will press function F5, a dialog box will open, we'll go to special and we'll select blanks. OK. So all the blank cells got selected. Now we will press Ctrl minus and we have got the option of delete. Shift cells left, shift cells up, entire row and entire column. So we will select entire row and we'll do OK. And all the rows of blank cells got deleted. I'll undo this. Let's see another shortcut. Over here we have got a data and we want to convert this data in a proper format by putting colors, creating filters and many more. We will click anywhere inside our data and we'll use the shortcut Ctrl T. A box will pop up, create table, my table has headers and we will do OK. And a very beautiful table got created along with filter buttons. From here we can select any design of our choice, we can select any colors. In case you want, you can remove filter buttons also. And in future, if you want to convert this table in a data or range, you'll have to go to left, convert to range. Alert, do you want to convert the table to a normal range? Yes. And the table got converted to a normal range. Let's see another shortcut. I'll undo this. Let's see another example. This is a sales data, and in sales target, we have got formulas, and I want to paste this as a value over here. I'll select this. We'll copy this, Ctrl C, we'll come over here and we'll press Ctrl Alt V. A small box will pop up, paste special. So we will select values from here and we'll do OK. So all the data got pasted as a value. I'll undo this. We'll see another example of this. We'll select my data. We'll press Ctrl C or Command C and we'll come to the edge of sales target, means over here. A small palm icon will be visible. We'll press Ctrl and we'll drag this. Move here, copy here, and many more options are there. So we will select copy here as values only. And our data got pasted as a value. Let's see another shortcut. Over here we have got a data. And in this data many spelling mistakes are there. So how to overcome this issue? We will use the shortcut. We'll press function F7 or F7. And all the spelling mistakes are over here. From here we will change each and every spelling mistake. Change. We will ignore this. In case you don't want to take any word from suggestions, you can type here manually and can press on change. Let's see another shortcut. Over here we have got the employee data, and in name I want to put employee full name and I don't want to resize my columns. So I'll delete this and we'll type employee. We'll press Alt and we'll hit enter. Now I'll type full name. We'll hit enter. So without resizing the column size, I was able to put my whole data over here, whatever I wanted to put. So the shortcut is Alt enter. Let's see another shortcut. This is a sales data, and in sales and sales target, I want to put currency sign. So we'll select this and we'll press Shift, Control and dollar sign, and the currency got visible. In case I want to change the currency symbol and I want to do it dollars, I'll have to press Ctrl 1, and from here we can change the symbol of the currency. OK. And all the sales and sales target got converted in dollars. Let's see another example. This is a data where I want to insert comments. So the shortcut to insert comments will be Shift F2 or Shift function F2. But before pressing the shortcut, we will have to click on the specific cell and we'll press Shift function F2 or function F2. My computer name got visible. In case I want to change this, I can. Now we can insert our comments over here. To delete comment, you will have to press Shift F10 or Shift function F10, and from here we can select delete note and the comment got deleted. Let's see another shortcut. I have got a data over here, or I have got a paragraph over here, and this is in English and I want to convert this in my local language. So I want to convert this data in French and Hindi. This can be done in two ways. We'll click on our data, we'll right click the mouse and we'll go to translate, and from here we can translate our data. I'll close this. Now we will see shortcut. I'll click on my data. The command for Windows and MacBook users will be totally different. Command for Windows users will be Alt Shift F7 and command for MacBook users will be Command, Option, Control and T. On top we can see our data, and over here we will have to select the language in which we want to convert our data. So I want to convert in French. I'll click over here. Now I'll select my data. Ctrl C or Command C. We'll come over here and we'll paste it. We'll wrap the text and my data got converted in French. Now I want to convert in Hindi. We'll click over here and we'll select Hindi. We'll select my data, Ctrl C or Command C. We'll come over here. We'll close this. We'll come to formula bar and we'll paste the data. Enter. I'll wrap the text and my data got converted in two languages or got translated in two languages, French and Hindi. Let's see another shortcut. Over here I have got a data and I want to put more data over here in these cells with different heads. And I don't want to change cell color and font color again and again. So we will click over here and we'll press Ctrl R and the whole format got copied and pasted over here. Now I can change the head. Ctrl R and another head got added. In case you want to add this over here, you will have to press Ctrl D. Ctrl D. So Ctrl R and Ctrl D is the shortcut. Let's see another shortcut. This is the data and the data is small, but in case your data is really vast. Currently we are in row number 3, but if I'll have to go to row number 100, I can't scroll down one by one. So how to go to row number 100? We will press Ctrl G. Over here we have got go to and reference. We will type A100 over here and we'll do OK. And we are in row number 100 now. Let's see another example. This is a visitor logbook and I want to put time in, time out and date. Over here also the command for MacBook users and command for Window users will be totally different. Command for Window users will be Ctrl semicolon, means shortcut for date, and command for MacBook users will be Shift Ctrl semicolon, and current date got visible. We will hit enter and we got number format over here. We'll right click the mouse, format cells, and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. So today's date got visible. Now we will come to time in and we'll insert current time. The shortcut for Window users will be Shift Ctrl and colon, and the shortcut for MacBook users will be Shift Command colon, and we got the current time. When the person will go out, means when the timeout will be there, you will have to give the same command, Shift Command colon, enter. Let's see another example. Over here we have got item names and spelling of mobile is wrong. If the data will be small, it can be managed properly or manually. But what if the data is vast? We will press Ctrl H, find and replace. Find what? So find mobile and replace with mobile. Replace all. Alert. All finished. We made 4 replacements. We will do OK and we will close this. So spelling of all mobiles got auto corrected now. So these are some of the shortcuts which you can use to ease your work.
I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.